I welcome you all in this short video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Moodle to watch the video and to solve the quiz. So to access the Moodle, you have to use this Moodle address 103.127.76.195. Once you enter this address, this website will open. Then go to this login option, click on this login option. Then this window will open where you have to enter your username and password. So I will enter here login ID, username, that is your PRN number, and password, and enter the password. Then click on login option. Then after clicking on login option, this window will open. This is the dashboard of this Moodle website. Here you can see your name as per the profile that you have changed, that is your class, division and roll number, and your name. Then here there are two options, timeline and courses. So if you click on this timeline option, you can see what activities you have to do in the coming days. So here you can see in next 7 days you have to solve these 3 quizzes, quiz number 1, 2 and 3, and here deadline of this quiz for all these 3 quizzes shown here 17th of July, and its time is shown. Then in next 30 days what activities you have to do, these are mentioned here, that is the quizzes of different subjects. For example, if you refer this quiz number 2, it is of machine design 1, this quiz number 1 is it is of for also machine design 1, and quiz 3 is also for machine design 1. Then for other quizzes are there. For example, this week 1 is for tool engineering, this quiz number 1 for it is for tool engineering, and this quiz number 2 is for metallurgy subject. So likewise you can see the quiz, its deadline, and for which subject it is at the bottom of this quiz. So in order to access the video and quiz, you can go to this course. You can see the number of courses here, like machine design 1, tool engineering, CAD/CAM CAE, industrial engineering and operational research, then metallurgy, and this advanced programming concepts. So you have to select the subject that you want to study. For example, if I want to study the machine design 1, you should click on this machine design 1. If you click on this machine design 1, the next window will open where the name of subject will be at the top. Then the announcements, under the announcements you can see the chapter name, unit number 1, whatever the chapter name of there, it will be shown here, and then the activities you have to follow, that will be shown under this chapter. For example, here the overview of subject part 1, overview of subject part 2, these headings are there. These are actually nothing but the links for the video, and after these 4 videos there is one quiz. That means this quiz number 1 is based on these 4 videos. Again, after this quiz number 1 there are 3 videos, and after that 3 videos there is another quiz, that is quiz number 2. That means after watching this 3 video you have to solve this quiz number 2. Similarly, after this quiz number 2 there are 2 videos, and after watching these 2 videos you have to solve this quiz number 3. So you have to go step by step. So first of all you have to watch these 4 videos, then solve this quiz, and follow the same step for other videos and solve the quiz. So for example, I will click on this first link, overview of subject. So right click on this tab and open in new tab. Click on open in new tab. If you are using mobile, simply click on this link, automatically it will transfer you to the YouTube channel and that video will run. So in this way you can watch this video. In the same way you can click on any title to watch the video. For example, if I want to watch this basic procedure of machine design, you can click on this title and that video will open. You can watch this video. Shape of component or the material is changed, and Now after watching video in the same way, you can click on this quiz number 1 to solve the quiz. After clicking on quiz number 1, you can see this window here. The time limit is mentioned, then open date 10th July, quiz will close on 17th July, like this information is given, and you can click on attempt quiz now to attempt the quiz or solve the quiz. Once you click on this message will shown. Click on this start attempt and you will be directed to window where you can see the questions and you can solve the quiz in this way. So just solve this quiz, click on next button till the last question. I will just click on this last question, then click on this finish attempt, then click on this option submit all and finish. Again this window will open. Click on this submit all and finish to confirm you want to submit the quiz. Once you click on this submit and finish, your quiz will be submitted. Here you can see the summary of your previous attempt and the grade. As I have not solved any question, the grade is 0 for this quiz. You can solve this quiz again number of times. Here there is option reattempt the quiz. If you want to improve the score in the quiz, you can choose this option. So in this way you can watch the videos and you can solve the quizzes. Now you have to follow the same procedure for all the subjects and this Moodle to solve the quiz, to watch the videos and study all the subjects. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any query related to this use of Moodle, you can contact or you can comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.